If you ever want to make a video longer than 15 seconds using SORA 2 for making TikTok affiliate videos, this is the exact video you need to watch where I show you step by step on how to do it. So the overall strategy is extremely simple. We're going to find a character that we like on the internet, and then we're going to use Google Gemini to analyze that video and help us to come up with a prompt which we can use to generate a similar character. And that character will be our base. Okay. And then we can break down our script into smaller parts so that each part will have everything that needs to be said or do within 15 seconds. In order to make a video longer than 15 seconds, we're going to piece together smaller chunks and put all of the clips together into one longer video. And that's how we're going to do it. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to head over to Kalo Data. Right here, you can find a lot of winning videos and winning products. And for this example, we're using this influencer as the example. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at the core metrics. It seems like this product is picking up just recently. So we have high confidence that if we replicate the same video or make it similar, then we can also do well as well on TikTok. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on the video.
I live a mom short, but what?
And we're going to download the video. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to head over to Gemini, and we're going to add that video that we just downloaded. And right here, we're going to paste in a prompt for the AI, for Google Gemini, to analyze the video to create us a SORA 2 prompt to basically create the influencer just like this one in the video. So for this, I actually have a prompt that you can use below this video. So go ahead and check out the first link. What you want to do is you want to copy this prompt and come back to Gemini and paste that right in here. And hit run. What this will do is it's going to study the video, analyze every pixel, analyze every subtle details from this person, and it's going to give us a prompt just like this one right here that we can copy and paste that into SORA 2 to create that similar person. And we're going to copy all of it. And then we're going to head over to sora.chatgpt.com. Right here, after you log in, on the bottom, it says describe your video. We're going to paste in this prompt. And in the settings, we want to make sure it's 15 seconds. And the orientation should be portrait. And we only need to create one video. You can create two, so you get more sample size. But for this example, we're only using one video. And hit create video. And now SORA 2 is going to generate that influencer similar to the video that we have uploaded. And now our influencer has been generated.
Okay, girls, I just found the perfect pair of light wash denim shorts for summertime. These are that rigid magic style. The front is nice and structured, so it holds everything in, and the back has stretch, so they're super comfortable. High-rise raw hem, not too short, totally mom-friendly. Okay, girls, I just found...
Okay, it looks pretty good, but it's not perfect because we have more things to say than the 15-second limit allows. So what we're going to do now is we're going to actually save this character, and then we can use that character as our base to create more segments of the video. So what we're going to do is over here on the click on the three dots, and we're going to hit create character. So what we want to do here is you want to pick a section where you have a clear view of the influencer. So right here, it seems pretty good. And we're going to hit go. For this part, you're going to give it a name. And then you hit continue. And for the character description, you can just skip this part and hit continue. And for this example, because we're only using this for our own internal project, I'm going to just select only me and hit save. Now that we have our character created, the goal is to create 4 different segments of the person saying different things from the script. And then the goal is to put together all 4 clips into one video. And that's the secret of making a SORA 2 video lasting more than 15 seconds. So now we have all 4 segments completed, and we're going to download all of them. And what we're going to do is we're going to remove the watermark, and then we're also going to upscale the footage so that some of the artifacts that you see on the screen will go away, like the flickerings, like right here. We're going to remove that, and then the video will look better. So now what we're going to do is we're going to post the videos so that the URL here on top will become public. The reason why you have to make it public is so that the watermark removal tool can access it, which I'm going to show you right now. And what we're going to do is we're going to head over to KIE. Here we're going to use a tool called a watermark removal. It's specifically designed for SORA 2, which is this one right here, and it's fairly affordable to use, and it doesn't require any subscription. So here, where it says video URL, you're going to copy the URL right here on top, paste that right in here, and hit run. As you can see, like, we have removed the watermark. Now that we have removed the watermarks, the next thing we need to do is to upscale the video and remove some of the flickerings and artifacts. And to do that, we're going to head over to Hexfield, and we're going to go over to Edit, and we're going to go over to Upscale. And then we're going to drop in that footage, and then we're going to go over to the right-hand side. We're here where it says SORA 2 Enhancer. You're going to click on that. What this would do is going to remove the flicker and then stabilize the footage. Once you hit upscale, here's what you get. And now we're going to download the video, and you're going to do that for all 4 videos. Okay, now we have all 4 clips ready to go. We're going to open up our editing software and drag them inside the timeline. And now we're going to just piece together the whole video. Okay, the rendering has completed. Let's take a look. Now, this is the video made by SORA 2, lasting more than 15 seconds.
Who love this brand but want a longer fit you can wear anywhere, meet these new denim shorts. They are seriously incredible. They have a perfect mid-length, cute distressing on the front, and it uses the classic pocket placement to give a really flattering...
The transition could be a little bit better with the audio, but if you pay attention to the pixel, it doesn't warp, it doesn't flicker, and this is exactly the result that we're looking for.
Lifted silhouette, and the fit is perfectly contoured so it stays flush against your back. Such a great wash for the season. They have that magic denim that gives you that amazing support through the waist while staying stretchy and comfortable. I'm 5'4", so I'm wearing the small, and they fit like a dream. These are selling out fast, so I'm dropping them.
So this is exactly how you can create consistent character inside SORA 2 and piece together smaller chunks into a one longer video. And if you want to check out Hexfield's upscale tool and the watermark removal tool, I will leave those links in the description below. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to make a higher resolution SORA 2 videos using SORA 2 Pro.